I am free, finally! Morning sailors, and welcome to what will be the last vlog of me in quarantine. It is now day 7 and I have got a full day of training today. So I've just got up and had my breakfast, got showered, got dressed, and now it is time to start training. Broken up from training for lunch now. I've got a couple of hours before training resumes, so I'm gonna have my lunch, which has just come, and then I think I'm gonna do my nails because they need doing. Okay, training is done. Nails are done. And we are just about to set sail. So we've just completed a drill. Obviously I did not participate because I am still in quarantine, but they did the drill for everyone who is not currently in quarantine, and that has just finished. So we will be setting off any minute now.
Just wanna feel comfortable in my own skin. In my mind, false visions conquer the world I'm in. Obsessed with feeling beautiful, something my mind just won't fulfill. Mascara crawls down my face as I write this.
So beautiful. And dinner has just come. Let's go and get it. I'm absolutely starving. It's amazing that doing nothing really takes it out of you and makes you hungry. Thank you. Oh yeah. It's dinner time, baby.
There's levels to this life, and this one is mine. I try not to cry, but it's okay sometimes. I wake up to the morning light.
So I've just come inside after finishing dinner. I'm absolutely stuffed and I'm so tired, which is ridiculous because I've just been like sat at that desk all day. I suppose I have been taking in a lot of information. You know, it's been a long day of training, but it was really good. But I think I'm gonna have an early night. So I'm gonna have a shower and just get into bed and watch Friends, I think, which I've got on my hard drive. You can't go on a cruise ship contract without having Friends on your hard drive. I'm sorry if today's been a bit dull for you to watch. I am aware that I have just been sitting at that desk all day, but yeah, I'll try and make tomorrow a little bit more interesting for you to view.
Just wanna feel comfortable in my own skin.
Morning sailors, and welcome to day 9 of cruise ship quarantine. I made it and I feel like I have retained all my marbles. I haven't lost it. So yeah, but I'm definitely ready to leave quarantine now. I've had a lovely time during this quarantine. I've been very productive. I've loved having this amazing bed and this incredible room, but I am ready to leave and have some freedom. And it would just be nice to like actually get to work and get to meet everyone in my team and explore the ship, because obviously I haven't been on board for ages, so it will be nice to see things again. But to be honest, I'm not feeling too bad. I thought I would get bored a lot earlier on into quarantine, but I've actually, up until like yesterday evening, just thoroughly enjoying it. Really, really busy, but I think it's because I like filmed all the videos I've wanted to film for you guys. I completed all my training last night, so I was like, what to do? And today is a free day, which is a bit scary. I'm like, what am I gonna do with a day where I have to do nothing? But no, it's gonna be great. It looks like it's gonna be a really, really nice day. So hopefully I'll spend it out on the balcony. I can read my book, do some yoga. There's loads to do, but I'm just so excited. I just can't wait to start, to get out, to meet everyone. It's gonna be so good. Oh, breakfast is here.
I'm a little too much. Don't really know why. I can be a lot, but you don't seem to mind. And baby, you're so different, 'cause others wouldn't even try. Nobody ever took the time. I get way too in my head about everything I do, figuring out what to say, 'cause it's so new.
So just had a knock at the door, and it was the doctor to take my temperature. So we've been having our temperature checked every single day. Mine has been normal every single day, which is obviously fantastic. And then yesterday, in between trainings, a doctor came and I had another PCR test. So I had to get a PCR test before I came on board to show that I hadn't got COVID. And then I had one at the beginning of my quarantine, and I've just had another one. Well, I had one yesterday. So later on today, everyone who is in quarantine who joined like on the same day as me is going to find out their results, and if we are negative, then we are going to be released tomorrow. So that is really, really exciting. But the lovely doctor did also remind me that I need to pack, because most likely I will be moving out tomorrow, which I completely forgot. So when this morning I was like, I've got a free day, I don't know what I'm gonna do, completely forgot that all of this stuff that I've unpacked, I now have to somehow get it back into the suitcase along with the uniform that I got. So this should be fun. Oh my god, tomorrow, I'm leaving tomorrow. That's mad. I mean, I'm leaving to stay. I'm staying, but I'm leaving this cabin tomorrow, and it's really weird. I've become very accustomed to living in this glorious cabin. Been here for 10 days, not seen anything else. So me and the cabin have become very close. It's going to be hard to say goodbye, but I'm sure I'll manage. So yeah, let's get packing.
Think of all the times you're so truly happy. Do I make you feel that way? Look into my eyes, there's no use in hiding. I feel all the butterflies, always on my mind. I feel like I'm floating, you're always on my mind.
Well, I am all packed, and to be honest, I did that a lot faster than I thought I would. I mean, I guess it is a lot different to when you're packing at home, because when you're packing at home, there's that factor of having to decide what you're going to take, whereas I literally just had to pack up what was in this room. So of course it didn't take me long. But now I've done that, which was kind of the main thing that I had to do today, I'm going to work out, because it's a lovely day outside, and why not? So here we have my little workout station. So I've got the chair, which I will use, and then this is a bag that is full of shampoos and stuff, but I've been using it as a kettlebell because it's really heavy. So I finished my workout and lunch has just come. I swear, like, the timing is just always perfection. So I'm going to sit outside in the sunshine and eat my lunch.
Do
Oh my god, that was so delicious and I am so full. I'm glad I worked out before lunch came because there's no way that I could do a workout now after that. So, I'm gonna sit out in the sun and read my book.
I know you said it in the heat of the moment, but did you say what you mean? Yeah. Your face turned bright red and your body was frozen. Think I could hear your heart beating out your chest, and your sweat and your palms just won't rest. For a second you'll regret it, almost wanna take it back, but it's too late 'cause you said it. I hope you meant it. Don't be embarrassed, no. Baby, it ain't just you. I feel it too. I know this feeling's are new. Oh baby, even though I'm playing it cool, here's the truth. I feel how you do and I love you too.
Well guys, I have just come in from reading outside on the balcony. I think I've been out there for a few hours because it's just turned 4:30. So I'll come inside now and I'm going to do my makeup. I'm going to try out a look that I saw online. I'm learning that I'm not really able to sit still. I mean, I am because I've just sat still for like 3 hours reading my book. But I mean, do it like I have to be doing something. I don't think I could just sit and watch telly all day. Well, I know I couldn't sit and watch telly all day. I tried that in quarantine when I was at home and it didn't last long. So that is what is next on the agenda.
Had a suspicion, I was secretly hoping that we were on the same page. 'Cause your chest, your sweat, and your palms just won't rest. For a second you'll regret it, almost wanna take it back, but it's too late 'cause you said it. I hope you meant it. Don't be embarrassed, no. Baby, it ain't just you.
And we're finished. I am now ready to go. Absolutely nowhere. I'm not usually a huge fan of like really winged eyeliner, but this doesn't look too bad.
I feel it too. I know this feeling's are new. Oh baby, even though I'm playing it cool, here's the truth. I feel how you do and I love you too. Oh yeah, yeah. I feel it too. I feel it. I know this feeling's are new. Oh baby, even though I'm playing it cool, here's the truth. I feel how you do and I love you too.
Doorbell has just gone. Dinner is here. I am ravenous. I'm very excited to eat food again. I feel like all you see on these vlogs is me just eating food. I'm so happy right now. The dinner looks amazing and the sun is shining bright, so I can eat my last dinner in quarantine on the balcony in the sunshine. I mean, what more could you want? We just hit 6,000 subscribers. Well, that was delicious and I am just so excited. I cannot believe that we've hit 6,000 sailors, like 6,000 subscribers. It seems like only 2 weeks ago that I was really excited about hitting 4, so thank you guys, like thank you so much. It really means the world. Oh, I just can't believe it. But as it is such a beautiful evening, I'm gonna take my makeup off and then go and sit in the sun. I'll obviously put some sun cream on, but I don't want to sit in the sun with this on for too long because otherwise it's all just gonna melt into my face. Morning sailors, and welcome to day 10 of quarantine. It's nearly over. It's not quite over yet, but we're nearly there. I can't believe it. I mean, I'm a bit sad because I'm gonna have to move out of this room, but I'm also excited to get moved into my crew cabin and meet all of my team and get to work and like not be stuck in a room. I passed my PCR test. I am COVID free, which means that I will be released today. So I'm just waiting for the doctor to come and release me and tell me that I'm free to go. But she said it should be sometime this morning. So I'm gonna enjoy my lovely breakfast, my last breakfast looking at that view. And then I'm gonna pack up the last of my things and hopefully I'll move. Well guys, I have very exciting news. That was the doctor and I am free to go. So I need to gather up all my stuff, which is obviously packed and ready to go, and make my way down to my cabin. And then I'm gonna go and start my proper contract on board, which is amazing. I am free, finally! So I am going to end the vlog here because I cannot video and carry all my cases downstairs. That's just not going to happen. But thank you so much for watching once again, guys. I really appreciate it. I hope you have enjoyed these vlogs that I have done during quarantine. I've thoroughly enjoyed filming them, and quite honestly I think I would have gone insane if I hadn't have had them to keep me busy. So thank you. I hope you have a fantastic rest of the day, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.